Hey there campers, here's how you can get more rocks in Outbound. Rocks are used in crafting all kinds of items in the game, including some essential ones. If you're running low on rocks, make sure to unlock the pickaxe blueprint first, since that's the tool required to break larger boulders. After unlocking it, craft the pickaxe using your camper van's workbench. Next, head over to this location I'm pointing to on the map near the southern bridge. It's one of the closest and easiest places to gather large amounts of rocks early in the game. Once you arrive, continue deeper into the rocky hillside area. As soon as you spot these large boulders scattered around, approach them and interact with them. Your character will automatically break them apart using the pickaxe. Each boulder can give you around 5 rocks, so you can gather resources pretty quickly here. Keep mining these stone deposits until you've collected everything you need, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.